This presentation, The Feast of Plenty, explores a shift in mindset from an altar of sacrifice based on scarcity and guilt to a table of communion grounded in abundance and shared innocence. Drawing on A Course in Miracles, we will map a practical journey from fear and lack toward wholeness in all our relationships. All relationships are shaped by one of two inner altars. The ego's altar rests on scarcity, separation, and guilt, using sacrifice and bargaining, which produce isolating special relationships. Love's table rests on abundance, unity, and innocence, using extension, giving to multiply, resulting in holy, truly shared relationships. Specialness operates like a scarcity economy. First, we feel a void, lonely and incomplete. Next, we bargain, trading ourselves for another's approval. Then come demands, where guilt and sacrifice buy union. Finally, resentment arises as the other seems attacking or withholding. In this system, giving appears to mean losing. The holy instant is a disruptive intervention in time. It is a brief, out-of-pattern moment when perception shifts from horizontal, time-bound thinking to a vertical, timeless view. In that instant, past grievances fall away, and we recognize complete equality and shared holiness between giver and receiver, not loss but completion. Here, we contrast two purposes for relationship. The special relationship seeks to extract value, focuses on the body, and uses guilt and sacrifice, leading to fragmentation and pain. The holy relationship aims to extend healing, focuses on the mind's unity, and relies on forgiveness and release of the past, yielding peace and abundance. The journey beyond the body is a transition in how we define reality. We begin with the illusion that the mind is trapped, isolated, and vulnerable. The shift occurs as we surrender the ego's goals. Expansion follows. Awareness of the body recedes, limits dissolve, and the mind joins a shared, boundary-free reality without reservation. Miracles reverse our usual sense of cause and effect. The ego claims that external events and bodies determine the mind's state. The miracle teaches the opposite. The mind is the true cause. When the mind is healed, perception of the world realigns. Miracles do not change matter. They change how we see, proving wholeness is intact. Heaven's mathematics challenge material logic. The ego insists that giving means losing. If I share value, I have less. Spirit's logic is that giving multiplies because love and joy are ideas governed by the mind's laws. An idea shared is strengthened. We truly possess only what we are willing to extend to everyone. The Feast of Plenty represents the fulfillment of the holy relationship. There is no sacrifice. Grace is freely shared and no one pays to enter. Minds join in total communion, unobstructed by the body. The relationship itself becomes the honored host of the divine, a quiet, joyous space where love sets a feast before all. The circle of atonement becomes a sanctuary for a weary world. A holy relationship is not private. Once the feast is established, it serves as an ark of safety for others. We are invited to stand in this purity, exclude no one, and welcome all who feel outside, offering them the same rest and reassurance we have received. The path to the feast follows three non-negotiable steps. First, recognize scarcity and see how specialness and sacrifice isolate us. Second, claim the holy instant by suspending judgment and giving the relationship a higher purpose. Third, extend the invitation. Know your own guiltlessness and share that innocence with everyone.